Hey everyone, I'm Decadet Sabado.
I'm Decadet Isarlon. I'm Decadet Abrasilia. I'm Decadet Aganan. I'm Decadet Villaros. And let's delve to the world of physics.
Hi, I'm Decadet Sabado, and with my companion, we will show you the world of math, science, and technology. But before that, what is physics? Physics derived from the Greek word physis, which means nature or natural things. Physics is a branch of science that involves the study of everything in physical existence, from subatomic particles to the entire universe. Fun fact, did you know that in our daily activities, such as walking, cooking, writing, and even taking a bath, it involves physics?
Hi guys, I'm Decadet Esteran. After learning what is physics and its importance, today we're going to delve to one of the branches of physics, which is equilibrium. What is equilibrium? Equilibrium. In the realm of physics, it refers to the state of balance where the net force and net torque acting on an object are both zero. Hi guys, I'm Decadet Abyssilia, and let's explore the world of kinematics. Kinematics is a branch of mechanics that deals with the description of motion. It studies motion regards without the forces present. It's a mathematical way to describe a motion. One of the examples of kinematics is running. So let me demonstrate it. This demonstration helps illustrate the basic kinematic concept of velocity and how it relates to the motion of an object. It provides foundation for understanding more complex kinematic scenarios involving acceleration, time, and displacement.
Force and motion. Force is a vector quantity that represents the interaction with two objects. Motion. Motion refers to the change position of an object with respect to its surrounding in a given period of time. What is important of force and motion? Force and motion is very important in our daily lives because they help us to do things like driving a car, play a sports, and using technologies.
In physics, work, power, and energy are related concepts that describes the motion and interaction of objects. Here's a brief example of each. In physics, work is done when a force is applied to an object and the object moves to the direction of the force. Power. Power is the rate at which work is done or the rate at which energy is transferred or transformed. Energy. Energy is the capacity to do work or the ability to cause a change in a state or motion of an object. Wait, there's more. There are types of energy. Kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, and conservation of energy.
Why physics is important in our daily lives? Physics is crucial in daily life as it provides framework for understanding the natural world and contributes to technological advancement, problem-solving skills, and environmental awareness.
Physics also drives innovation and exploration, playing a key role in scientific advancement and expanding our understanding in the universe.